Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Hamm from Toy Story. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start on the left side and let's draw the snout with a large circle. Now inside, we're going to draw the nostrils by drawing 2 teardrop shapes. Now on the top left, let's add a small angle up. And then we're going to hop to the bottom and draw the mouth. Let's start with a line up and over to the right side. And then curve it back down and up underneath. Now let's hop in and let's draw another curve along the bottom. And then for the teeth, let's add another curve at the bottom again, stopping halfway. And then bring it down. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop back up and let's draw the shape of the head. Starting on the top left, let's draw a large circular curve around and over to the mouth. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and draw the eyes. Let's start with 2 circles at the top. And then let's add another small circle inside on the top right. And color the eyes in black. Now on top of each eye, let's add a curve for the eyebrows. And that's it for the face. Next, we're going to hop out and draw the ears. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And a larger one on the right side. Now let's do the same thing inside each ear. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop to the right and draw the body. Let's start on the bottom right and we're going to draw the first leg by drawing a curve across. And then curve it down from each end. Now for the toenails, we'll start on the left side and let's draw a curve in and a point down and back up. Now let's do the same thing on the right here. And then in the gap, let's draw a diamond shape for the center toenail. Now that we have the first leg, let's draw the shape of the body. Let's start next to the head on the top right and let's draw a large oval curve out and back in. And then continue it on the other side of the leg and curve it up. Now let's hop inside the body and let's draw 2 small curves down from the top. And then a curve across. Now let's hop down and let's draw the other legs. Underneath the body on the left, let's draw a curve down and out. Now for the toenail, let's draw a curve next to it and a point out and back in. Now let's add another toe on top in the same way. Let's start with a curve down and a point out. Now let's add a line down on top to close off the leg. Now let's hop to the right side and let's add another leg at the bottom here. Let's start with 2 angles down and out. Then underneath, we'll start with a toe going out and 2 more on top. And then for the last foot, let's start underneath the body and let's bring it down and across. And that's it for Hamm. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!